recent show that filmed here would be The Good Place, starring Kristen Bell and Ted Danson.
You, Eleanor Shellstrop, are dead.
Cool.
This location, the afterlife. I've never ever seen this.
The Good Place is now streaming all 4 seasons on Netflix. Over here to your right is home to Doing No Miracles. That's where we filmed the classic movie, The Hunchback of Notre Dame. Also, if you're a fan of Buffy the Vampire Slayer with Sarah Michelle Gellar, that's where they did all the flashback sequences. If you love Disney movies, welcome to Genovia. This would have been Princess Diaries 2, Real Engagement, starring Chris Pine and Anne Hathaway. Also for Disney, we've this version now did it. Congratulations, everybody.